Hi, my name is Mike Sieber, certified personal trainer, corrective exercise specialist, and holistic health coach. In this video, I'd like to take the time to talk to you about drug advertising. The drug commercials you see on TV can be deceptive in the fact that they're trying to market health and sell you drugs at the same time. So I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about this. So the US is only one of two countries in the entire civilized world that allows direct-to-consumer marketing for drugs, the other country being New Zealand. So the entire civilized world has decided that it's deceptive to market drugs directly to the consumer. Now the reason for that is, as a consumer, you might not know what drugs your body actually needs, and it gives you a bias to go ask your doctor, and what you do is you put external pressure on your doctor and maybe influence their decision in prescribing medication that you may actually not need, or you may actually need it. But the consumer, being you, should not be the one deciding whether or not you need a medical drug. It should be a trained and licensed medical professional. So that is clearly why the rest of the world has completely banned direct-to-consumer drug marketing. So the National Institute for Healthcare Management did a study that in 2014 or 15, I believe, there was over $4.5 billion spent by pharmaceutical companies on direct-to-consumer marketing for drugs. $4.5 billion. They're pouring billions into advertising to convince people that they need medical drugs. Now the problem I have with this is that 1 in 6 Americans are currently on antidepressants. I believe that's probably around the highest, if not the highest, in the world. And certainly the subliminal effects of these drug advertisements are having an effect. So a lot of people come in to see me as a trainer and health coach, and they're looking to lose weight, they want to feel better, they want to feel happier, but they still have this victim mentality that they need external pills and chemicals to treat their mind and their mental state. A lot of times these drugs have unwanted side effects, such as weight gain. So for even just from a weight loss and a vanity perspective, these drugs can have problems. Now the other problem I have with these drug commercials is that they're always subliminally brainwashing you to associate these drugs with health. If you notice, every single drug commercial has someone drinking water, and the water just looks so refreshing. Almost every drug commercial, if you really pay attention, has someone drinking water. It has people socializing, hugging, smiling, kissing. It has people eating and communicating together. It has people walking. It has a ton of sunlight shining through the video. It has trees. It has nature. It has butterflies. So if you look at these things, these are just things that people need to be healthy. And I know, being a health coach, when people come in to see me and I do their evaluations, people don't spend a lot of time outside. People don't spend a lot of time in the sun. People don't walk. People don't have fun as much as they should. They're overstressed. They're eating crappy. They're not sleeping. So if you see a million advertisements for years, starting at a young age, associating a drug, subliminally associating a pill with all these healthy things, such as hydrating properly. Most people are chronically dehydrated and need water, and they're inflamed. Walking with friends. Most people don't get in the sun. Like I said, vitamin D is responsible for helping synthesize a bunch of neurotransmitters and keeping your bones and mental state healthy. That's well documented by science. So these are really basic holistic health principles that are being raveled into these commercials for drugs that you may or may not need and have potentially harmful side effects, and other side effects such as weight gain and sluggishness, mental issues, tiredness, fatigue, all these side effects that you really shouldn't be deciding for yourself if you need a drug or not based on subliminal advertising. So propaganda was something that really got perfected in the past 100 years. It started with radio, now it's to TV, and these are very, very powerful subliminal messages, and that's why the rest of the world has decided that this is deceptive. But Big Pharma is a huge industry. They're really trying to push this stuff on people, and you really have to ask yourself, if you feel down and you watch these commercials and you think that's the solution, when's the last time you did the things in that commercial? When's the last time you drank water and hydrated properly, went for a walk in the sun, exercised vigorously, and ate healthy? So most people are eating crap, they're stressed, they're not sleeping, as I mentioned, and this is why they feel down. So it's very deceptive for these companies to be advertising drugs direct to consumer. Doctors should always be the one to recommend a medical drug intervention. Always. And in the meantime, if you're looking to improve your health, I suggest that you practice the holistic health principles, eating high-quality organic food, getting enough sleep, exercising vigorously, going on long walks, socializing with friends and loved ones, surrounding yourself with positive people. These are all things you can do right now to start boosting your health and your mood and get on the journey of lowering your stress levels, losing weight, and being a happier and healthier you. Thanks for watching. My name is Mike Sieber, and I'll talk to you soon.